Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic6 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So in this tutorial I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the serial number. First one requires entering the secret code. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's open them. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and scroll down again to localize the status. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.